Okay guys, this is it. This is the Viking Nightstand. So I've got some wolves carved in here. I've got the dragons carved in here, both sides. My brother drew those for me real quick and I etched them out. And yeah, it's got, you know, normal drawer for a nightstand. It's got a little drawer in the back with a knife in there. This is a Vietnam knife. And then, let's see, I don't know. And then, you know, because it's a nightstand, you gotta have a hidden compartment in it. So if you hear a bump in the night, then you got a little compartment there that you can get to real quick. And then if you hear like a lot of bumps in the night and you need like, you know, other things, so you've got that hidden compartment there. And then if you hear like a ton more bumps in the night, oh, sorry. Where's that? Right there. That opens up.
Oh, you're set.
Right?
Right.
Just in case you hear the bumps in the night. Well, wait, there's one. Let's see. Right here. There's a box in here. And then the little Thor's hammer here. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's unlocking. I don't know. I don't know if you're ever going to hear that many bumps in the night, but if you do,
Just in case.
I don't know why people shoot bumps in the night, but
Why not?
so yeah.